Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get some free items that you can trade up to like spikes. So sorry non-members, but you need an Arctic wolf for this. So sorry. So we're going to go to the adventure. And we are going to go to the Return of the Phantoms, the easiest adventure. Now, you don't have to do the final part. You want the to be normal. And just play. Then what you want to do is you don't want to talk to Liza. Exit out, doesn't matter. And you want to go into the forest, and yeah, you want to, do all this stuff. Talk to Buster. Literally, all you have to do is talk to Pumpkin. Look. You don't actually have to talk to the bunnies. Like, seriously, you don't have to talk to the bunnies. You just have to. Oh no, like, what the heck? It's not fair. Leave me alone. Hey, Phantom, come here. You want to get in their little bubble. I usually, wait, because they're dumb. Phantoms are so dumb. This is, your, cool pup. This is just an adventure. It's super boring. Why are you showing this video? How can you get free rares from this playing an adventure? And how does it have to do with anything? Have to do with having an Arctic wolf included? Well, I will be showing you in a minute. Don't rush me and my tactics. Literally, this game is so easy. You shouldn't have any trouble doing it. You shouldn't have any trouble doing this adventure. I was so sad when I first did this adventure because I wasn't an Arctic wolf and I couldn't do this thing. Literally, this game is super easy. A lot. I mean, it may be complicated to you, but I've played this game so many times using this as a, I think if you guys, you play it in hard mode, you could actually get a better prize, but, if you run through hard mode and you got yourself, should be really easy for you guys. And yeah, this glitch works. Not really a glitch. It's not a glitch, really. It's not a glitch. But then you just go to the bunny burrow, because this is half of you who's played this adventure must know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I should really speed through this, but okay, I'll get back to you guys when I have the key and all that. Okay, guys, so I got the key, and after this, I'm going to show you guys the thing. So, mining in progress of this man. How did you get this far? I want to see his name. I think this thing is, I can't see his name. Look! Oh, gosh, no, leave me alone. I'm going to go down. Look, and then there's a prize. Look, I got scary horns. So then you can leave. I'm going to see if you get a better prize for being an Arctic wolf in hard mode. So I'll see you guys once I get the key and all that. Here's the proof that I'm actually playing this in hard mode. Okay, hope you guys will enjoy me playing this. I'll get back to you guys. Guys, I dare you to watch me struggle. Watch me struggle. This is my struggle. Oh my god. I'd rather play this and please. Stop glitching. I need this game to stop glitching. No, what the? No. Kill me. Seriously, I don't get my quirk. Not very nice. Okay, at least I'm not glitching anymore. Literally just want my quirks. So I'm gonna go and give me quirks. Why? Why are you trying? Stop! Stop! This is a glitch. I'm gonna dance. Can I? Stop it. I hate that phantom. He's like the worst. He's a bad kid. He's a bad kid, guys. This is a bad kid. Bad kid. Oh. Hey, you idiot. I've mastered it. I've mastered stealing the quirk from the phantoms. Ha. 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 I'm sorry, I like that. Sounds like YouTube video I want. Hard. Oh, the struggles. Leave me alone. Just need to be Oh no! Wow, I'm gonna die today! Please don't kill me. Oh. Heh. You sucker. Kill me. Oh, die. Can I, like, do that and there'd be, like, a patch of things? I would laugh. Yeah, I can see that. Oh my gosh. This is so much harder. We'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed me quitting it. I'm sorry, I'm tired. And, whoa. Oh, yeah, this is gonna be my new profile photo. It's gonna have this daisy in it because Daisy is super pretty. Hey, look, you can do this little walk. This needs to be my profile picture. Or no, this needs to be my profile picture. Look at me. How beautiful am I? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so tired right now, so I'm gonna go take a nap, and bye.